You know, you can make the best video in the world, have incredible footage, awesome lighting, maybe some nice special effects or transitions. But if the audio is bad, then nobody is going to watch you. Luckily, Insta360 has got you covered with the Ace Pro 2. And in this video, we're going to show you how to get amazing audio with your action camera, no matter what the location. Before we get started on this video, I want to say a big massive thank you to Insta360 for sending me the Ace Pro 2 to review.
Insta360 have been making action cameras since 2017, and to learn more about their groundbreaking range of action cameras and accessories, click on the links in the description below. To access the audio options, you want to swipe down. Now from this screen here, we want to swipe left. So we look over here and we see the microphone. If I tap on the microphone, it's now going to bring up the audio input device options. Now we don't have a microphone attached to this camera via Bluetooth. We're just using the built-in microphones. So if I tap here, where you can see there's a tick, and beneath that it says currently says voice enhancement. If I tap on that one, it's going to bring up this audio settings menu. At the top one here, we have wind reduction. And the second one we have is voice enhancement. And the third option is stereo. One thing to be aware of when it comes to the audio options with this action camera is that if you are using a different lens on the camera, like say the close-up lens, instead of the standard lens, you will only have two audio options. So I'll show you. So right now, if I have a look and I swipe down and then I swipe across and we tap on this one here, and we're going to come to the you can see the lens master says close up lens, right? So if it has one of the lens in this selection on the lens master, see how the cinematic ultra wide close up lens. So if I go back to that one there, and now if I go to audio options, if I have a look and I tap on audio settings, it's only going to show two audio settings for me to choose from: wind reduction and stereo. You'll notice that voice enhance is not there, so that's something to be aware of. But if we change it back to standard lens, if we make sure it says standard lens here, and we select that, and now if we go back into the settings, for the audio settings, you see we now have voice enhancement. So that's something to be aware of. You will only have voice enhancement as one of your options if you have the standard lens on your action camera.
So this is the wind reduction setting on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Down here by the beach, as you can see, there's quite a few waves coming in this morning. It's fairly windy for this time of year. It's normally pretty placid out here. This is a bay behind me, so you can see the waves. How does it sound? How does the audio sound? Do you feel like the camera's doing a great job at cutting out the noise? Let me know in the comments section down below. Okay, let's try a different audio mode on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This time we've slipped into the voice enhancement mode. Okay, so still at the same location, only a few seconds after we filmed that first piece with the wind reduction setting turned on. But this is the voice enhancement. So the intention of this setting is to enhance the voice. It makes sense, doesn't it? It makes the sound of your voice sound a lot stronger and better and clearer against whatever's happening in the background. Okay, there's one more mode to explore. Let's check it out now. All right, this is the last mode. This is called stereo. Stereo, of course, means that you're picking up sound from the left and the right channel. So how does the stereo compare to the previous two modes that we use? Voice enhancement and the first one, which is wind reduction. I actually feel like the wind's picking up a little bit right now too, which may affect the sound a little bit, but I'm interested in what you have to say. Let me know in the comment section down below. And as I said, this whole video is done via the built-in microphones. There's no external mics that I'm using down here today. You know, getting great audio is only one of the amazing features of this action camera, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. There it is, bounce around bottom of the video. Want to learn more about this action camera? What you want to do is click on this video over here. Now, thanks for your company. I'll see you in the next video.